So guys, welcome back to the channel Cat Right? And in today's video, we are going to learn about how to make a page layout for an architecture firm, or even if you're doing your own project. It is very essential to make your page layout, and your page layout should be very nice. So for that, first of all, we are in today's video, what page layout we are going to make is of an A4 size. So the size will be 8.3 inches by 11.7 inches. The things that are required in a page layout, they are the general notes. General notes are the notes that are common in your all drawings. Okay, in your practice it should be common in your all drawings. Notes are specifically for the drawing, it is there in the page layout. Legend also, the legends, I don't need to tell you what are legends, right? So legends that are used in the CAD drawing of that page layout. Information is about you, the date, the scale, what drawing it is, for what client it is, etc., etc., like that, right? So now we are going to start with a simple line of 8.3 inches. I'll just set the units first. If you don't know how to set units, then I have made a different video for that. Go and check it out how to set it. You can see it right over here also. You just have to select architectural precision 00 intersection inches. Okay, so now we'll start with 8.3 inches, 8.3 inches, and then we'll go with 11.7 inches. Yeah, then we'll just connect, right? So first we'll go with the portrait layout. We It should be right over here. Down, we'll offset it for around, let's say it's 11, right? We'll set it around 3 inches. Will be a bit more, so offset it around 2 inches, which is just perfect. So we'll go with the first thing, that are general notes. So for general notes, so what we need to do is we will make three partitions over here. This first part will have general note, the second part will have notes, the third part will have legend, and the fourth part will have our information. Right. So let's start with the first part, that is the general note. So for general note, we'll again make this with 2, then again 2, again 2. So this is how our page layout would become after doing it. And we will also set this as margin. You can also just create a polyline over this, which will be better for you, and just overkill. Okay, so and set margin just to look good. Okay, we'll go with this also. Okay, make sure that everything which is double lined always looks good. So it is just a safe option to do it. And now we'll go with our text. And if you don't know how to make text in AutoCAD, then for that I've made a different video. Go and check that out on my channel CAD.com, right? For the first, we'll go with the general notes. General notes. So so as you can see, this is a big more size for this box. So we will scale it to the size that is good enough for the page. Still we can reduce it as still we will reduce it because more things will come. So this should not like look over dominating. General notes are here, right in place for them. Then you just need to write all of your general notes right over here. That's it. That becomes your general note. Then we will just copy the same thing for notes also, and just remove general, and you will be here with notes. After completing nodes, you will have legends, right? So for legends, we don't need this. For legends, we are going to require more number of boxes, which is going to be here through, let's say, we'll make it this much is okay. Okay, the same we will go multiple. Okay, two more lines over here. We will need legends. You know what are legends are, right? I'll not get to that. What are legends? So we'll just make this as our legends box. We'll write here. So what happens is here is the place where you'll draw your legend. I'm just making an example just for now. If it is a circle, then the circle, then you should scale this text to a smaller height, then set it right over here. Okay, so let's say this is circle. So like this, you have to make your legends right over all over here. All the legends that are coming in your architecture drawing, you have to make it over here, right? Like this. And that's it. Your legends column is also, if this has more columns of legend, but it will take up text. So I think I don't think any of the drawings will have more legend than this, except the electrical drawings. So for that, I'll make a different video. Don't worry about that. So now we'll go with our information. So for information, it will come as your firm's name, or your, if you are practicing as an individual, then your name. I'll just write cat comrade. Okay, because that's my channel, cat comrade. Then if it is a firm, it is based on some city or somewhere. You should mention the city's name also. So for now, I'm doing it. I'll make sure this all are aligned properly so it looks good. Okay, so I'll just write Bangalore because I'm right now practicing in Bangalore. So I'll write Bangalore. I'll scale it according to what looks good. Okay, cat comrade Bangalore. Then we will go with a date. For that, we'll make a line right over here. So this becomes fixed. And then we'll go with a date. We'll take up two things over here and we'll copy this right over here. Here you should write date. Perfect. And after date you should go with scale. I think after date you should go with the plan, like it's a plan or a section, or if it was like a ground floor plan, second floor plan, whatever it is, elevation, whatever has to be written should be written over here. Then it should be written scale. Scale should be mentioned right over here, and again two dots. That's it. I think we should take the cat component below and write the client's name above, which will look more. Yeah, it will also give more space for, yeah. So, okay. This we will write it as some client's name. Okay, I'll write YouTube. YouTube, I'm doing this page layout for you guys. Okay. So, so your blank page is now ready, but you should add some colors to it, which is very easy. Just select this, and you can do it by selecting over here. Just add some colors to it. It will of course look good. So that is, I leave that to you. That whatever color you feel right and good for your page, your practice, whatever it is. So I think you are now good to go. And this is what a page layout is in AutoCAD. Thank you for watching and share it with someone who may need.